To import data from another course into a new course, you will need to use the import function under the administration menu on your course. Firstly, log in to Moodle and navigate through to the new course you are trying to set up. Then click on the import button under the administration menu in the left column. Then on the page which loads up, you will need to select the course from which you want to import the data. So you can select a particular course which you've taught before, or you can just select the course from the list which is available to you, which basically is a list of all the courses in the Moodle homepage. For example, I want to import all the data from test course 2, so I select test course 2 and say use this course. Now the system would load up a list of all the resources available on the test course 2 homepage and give me an option to select and deselect those resources or activities or assignments. So for example, if I wanted all these resources and quizzes and forums to be imported, I would just leave the default selection, which is a checkbox against each and every resource. And then you can also select if you wanted the course files, which is basically all your PDFs and documents and Excel sheets in your file database, to be imported. I would say yes. And if you want your grade histories from that course to carry over, you can select that from this drop down list too. So once you select whatever data you need to be imported, you can click on the continue button. Now what the system would do is it would show you how many types of data are available for import. So over here, for example, you can see that there are 4 files in that particular course from which you're trying to import data. So I'm going to import all those files, and I can import the categories and the quizzes and the questions in those quizzes and say continue. So now you can see that the import has been successfully done. Click on the continue button again. So now you would see that all the import takes place successfully, and once you navigate to your new course homepage, you'll notice that all the data from the test course 2 has been transferred over to test course 3. You have your topic for quiz, the forums, the chat rooms, and if you click on your files database, you notice that all those files will be carried over too. So now this concludes a training session on how to import data from one course to the other.